Welcome to Courage to be Visible, the podcast for heart-centered entrepreneurs who are done hiding in the shadows and ready to step into the spotlight. If you are as passionate about helping others as you are about growing your business, but need a little help and inspiration getting seen, you're in the right place. My goal for this podcast is to inspire you to take action now so you can get visible and grow your business. Plus, I truly believe that if enough passionate entrepreneurs start speaking out, together we can make the world a little bit better. I'm your host, Andrea Stenberg. I'm a marketing and visibility strategist who's been helping entrepreneurs just like you get visible since 2005, long before any of us were doing online video. I release new episodes every Monday morning. The podcast is mostly 20 to 30-minute conversations with experts and entrepreneurs who have an interesting story about how they or someone they know found the courage to be visible. But from time to time, I'll grab the mic myself and share my own thoughts, opinions, and stories. You can find this podcast on any podcast app on the planet, including Apple Podcasts, Amazon, and Spotify. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so at thebabyboomerentrepreneur.com/listen.